In this video, I'll show you how to use Finder on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So Finder is a feature that allows you to search through your app, whether it's through your phone, whether it's going through different settings or even just looking for an app that you want to perform a quick launch. So to do that, you're going to go ahead and open up settings and then scroll and select the option home screen. From here, you're going to look for Show Finder on home screen and just tap on the toggle to turn it on. Once you've done that, you can now use Finder. It's right here, and you can just tap on it and search for something. If you're looking for an app, just go ahead and type in the app name, and you should be able to see it here in the list of search results. If you're looking for specific settings such as screen resolution, you can go ahead and search for it, and you should be able to see it. If you're looking for a specific note that you've written, just type in the title of the note, and again, you should be able to see it listed right here. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.